So I'll show you how to compress any image size without losing image quality in Photoshop. So here's a picture. I'm going to show you the picture properties. So here we can see the image size is 8.5 megabyte. Now I'll show you how to easily compress this. So go to your Photoshop and open the photo here. Once you successfully imported the photo, now just click on File, and here you have to click on Export, and here just click on Save for Web, or you can press Alt Shift Ctrl S to open Save for Web window. And once the window opened, here click on this preset drop down, and here we have to select JPG high, JPG low, or medium. So I'm selecting here JPG medium and selecting format JPG, and make sure to check optimized option. And if you want, you can also change your image size, width, height, and then here we can see the after converting the image size will be only 272.7 kilobyte. Okay, now just click on Save and select a location where you want to save the photo. And now here's the photo that I just compressed. Now I'm going to right clicking on the photo and opening properties, and here we can see this image size is only 273 kilobyte.